Hello, Teacher Jonah.
Oh, I'm not teacher Jonah. Hi, Leo.
Wait, hello, Teacher L. Last time I met Teacher Jonah, Link is in too.
Yes. Why did you join her class?
I don't know, my mom said that.
Oh, okay. So maybe your mom wasn't able to copy. Is that correct? Link, I see that is why. Hi, Leo. I missed you, Leo. What did you do last week?
It's funny.
Where did you go last week?
I can hear Teacher Jonah said, Shumishina.
Okay, I wonder why you were in her class. We're supposed to have our class, but
She, she said her language like Philippines. I
like what?
don't know what that means.
What? She
Can you hear the Selena?
Well, that is our dialect, Leo. That's our dialect. So you don't understand it, right? Just like you, if you will speak Vietnamese,
Yes.
then I won't understand you. Okay, so now can you tell me what do you want to study? Do you want to learn Everybody Up or the book that your mom sent me?
Everybody up.
Okay, we'll have Everybody. Okay, so now, Leo, let me see first because I prepared the book that your mom sent
Look
me.
at the jazz.
Okay, did you? Grr. Hi. Why is it? Grr. Are you mad?
No,
No, you're not. Okay, so now, Leo, we will have Everybody Up talking about the sports in here. So,
and
yes, can you still remember these sports? Leo, let us have a quick review first. Okay, it's what what's he doing? Okay,
snowboarding. I say illustrating table surfing.
okay, very good. So now let us have
Can
this
you, can you, can you, can you just make other words
one.
like this?
What do you mean?
What you do like this?
Oh, I will cover it for you.
I want to read it all.
Okay. So just remember the instruction, Leo, in here. All you have to do is to answer
I can't
yes.
see.
Okay, so in here you have to tell me yes, he's or she's very good at it, or no, he.
Reading God.
What?
The reading God.
So you can see it now. You can see
But
it.
I want to read the reading part again.
Okay.
You need to cover all.
Okay. So now let us have it this way then. Okay, can you tell me?
Steven supporting
Okay, snowboarding.
ice skating, inline skating, surfing,
Yes, this is surfing. What about this one?
wait, skateboarding.
Okay, yes, very good. It is skateboarding. So now, since you did well in that one, we'll have this. Okay, so let me.
About the bee.
What?
What about the hot bee?
You want to say?
No, bee, not the.
No, we're done with this one. We're done with it. Do you want to answer it again?
No.
Okay, so let us have C. Okay, so tell me if yes, he's or she's very good at it, or no, he's or she's not very good
She's
at.
good at it.
Okay, now let me zoom it
Yes,
in.
she's yes, she's very good at it.
What about
No,
him? Is he good at in
he's
line?
not very good at it. Yes, he's very good at it. Yes, she's very good at it. No, she's not very good at it. No, he isn't good at it.
Okay, he's not very good at it. Okay, you did well answering, Leo, but you did not let me ask you a question. You answer it directly. Okay, so now that's fine. You answered it all correctly. So we'll have now the singing activity. Okay, I'm good.
I'm singing chocolate.
Oh, that's okay. All you have to do is to listen to it, Leo, and I will.
Singing chocolate.
Yes, I will sing it to you. You don't have to
No,
sing it.
I say Vietnamese. I don't want to sing chocolate.
Oh, you don't want to sing I'm good at skating?
I don't want to sing chocolate.
Oh, do you mean you don't want to sing this song?
Chocolate means means I will do it or do that to this. Hence, chocolate means yes on yes.
Okay, so you will sing it with me. Okay. Now,
Chocolate.
thank you, Leo. You're so nice. Okay, let us sing this one
Page
now.
7.
I'm good at skating.
D.
I'm very good at it.
Sing.
I'm good
Yes.
at surfing.
I'm
I'm
good
very
at
good at it.
skating.
I'm not good at skiing. No. He's good at skating.
I'm
Yes.
good at
He's good at
skating.
surfing.
He's
Yes.
good at skating.
I'm very
Very good
good
at.
at it.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
I'm
I'm
good
good
at
at surfing.
surfing.
He's good at surfing.
I'm very
Very
good
good
at
at
it.
it. Yes,
This is
yes.
too
I'm
fast.
not good
Good
at
at skiing.
skiing.
He isn't good at skiing.
No,
No, no,
no.
that's okay.
Too
Good
fast.
at skating. She's good at skating. Very good at it. Yes, yes. I'm good at surfing. She's good at surfing. Very good at it.
Okay.
Yes, yes. I'm not good at skiing. She's not skiing. No, no, that's okay. Okay, so there you have it.
Too
And
fast.
one more
Want to sing again?
but again. Okay, let us sing it again.
Page 7.
Last one.
D. Sing. I'm good at skating. I'm good at
Skating.
skating.
He's good at skating.
I'm
I'm
very
very good
good
at
at it.
it. Yes, yes. I'm good at surfing. He's good at surfing.
I'm
I'm
very
very
good
good
at
at
it.
it. Yes, yes.
Yes.
I'm not
Not
good
good
at
at skiing.
skiing.
He isn't skiing. No,
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 no.
that's
I want to sing
okay.
chocolate. I
Skating.
want to sing
She's good at skating. I'm very good at it. Yes, yes. I'm good at
sing
surfing. She's good at surfing. I'm very good at it. Yes, yes. I'm good at skiing. She isn't good at skiing. No, no, that's okay. Okay, so now we're done.
want to sing chocolate.
Okay, so
I want to sing chocolate.
you want to sing it again? No, Leo, that would.
No. I want to sing chocolate.
What is that? We're done singing the
I want
song,
to sing.
but we're done singing.
Phew. No more singing.
Yes, no more singing. We'll have now the book that your mom gave me, okay?
No. Why this book is so little, but my
No.
mouth is so big.
Now it's okay, Leo, because after this we will play a game. Okay? So now, in here we have part 5. I want you to look at the picture and read the story, Leo. Yes, you have to write some words to complete the sentence,
See
not before.
very. I can see very clearly.
Okay, can you see it clearly, Leo?
No.
No? Why not?
Julia's home was in the countryside. One
Okay.
day, Julia flat in winter, cloudy. Island cloudy. Went for a long walk in the forest. They saw a white rabbit. It hopped behind some tall grass, and Cloudy quickly ran to it and to try to catch it. Naughty dog, come back here, shouted Julia. Cloudy came back, but there was something wet in its mouth. Oh no, Julia thought.
Okay, yes, that is.
A rabbit!
Okay, yes, that is it, Leo. So
It's
now
not
I
a
want.
bird.
Okay, so I want you to continue reading this one.
But it wasn't the rabbit. It was a beautiful white cock. Cloudy dropped it on the ground and Julia picked it up. The scarf's new looks new. I must try to find the person who lost it, she thought. Julia put the scarf round her neck and walked slowly back home. Lee, she called, come on, good job.
Okay, so now let us answer the first one first. Okay, so Cloudy tried Black the Rabbit.
Tried to catch,
Okay, yes. Okay, yes. Cloudy tried to catch the rabbit. That is correct. In here, we can see Cloudy quickly ran to try to catch the rabbit, the white rabbit. Okay,
you
now
speak English while you are in Philippines.
what, Leo? What, Leo?
Why can't you speak in English?
Well,
But you are in Philippines.
yes, I can speak English, Leo, because in our classroom, Leo, when I was a student, if we will not speak, if we won't speak English, we have to pay for a fine.
We
Do
need
you know
to
what a
pay
fine? A fine. Fine, Leo. It is the money.
Where?
why fine. I know that.
Okay, that is why we know how to speak English, Leo, and as well, we have English from grade 2, Leo, in grade 2 until college. So, using English is a requirement. Okay, knowing how to speak English is a must here.
There was a white scarf in Cloudy's mouth.
Okay,
Julia wanted to find
find the what? In the blank of the scarf.
no, don't know.
Okay, you can say the owner of the scarf, or you can as well say the person who lost. Okay, the person who lost the scarf. Lost the scarf. Okay, now what about for Leo?
Julia went home with the white scarf around her neck.
Okay, yes, very good, Leo. That is correct. Okay, very good, Leo. Thank you. So now we can play a game. What game do you want to play, Leo?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't. Should we Should we have this one or no?
Where?
This one.
This.
You like it? Okay,
Nivea
let's
Super
try
C
this.
Plus with 50 times more sun protection and triple bright power for brighter skin.
Happy birthday to you. Thanks for the cake and party. Hello.
3 differences, Leo. Wow. What?
The foot of the table. And can because my square pen.
Oh, okay. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, what would be the last one? Can you see the last one?
I didn't.
Okay. Do you want to have another game, Leo? An easier one?
Oh, right.
Okay, but let us see the answer of this one first.
The time is up. Let's see where it's different.
Okay. That's it. So now let us have the odd one.
Think it's easy, Fitna.
Which one?
Find the art Barbie.
Barbie?
Yes.
Hi friends, welcome back to QuizzerCat. How good?
Okay, very good. Easy. Go.
Great job. Can you guess the real Barbie from new movie?
Do you know the movie? Oh, really? I don't know the movie, Leo.
I just guessed.
Oh, you're just guessing. Okay.
Easy
Oh.
peasy. The real Barbie is wearing
You
a
got
pink
it,
hat and accessories.
Lee.
Tricky, is it?
Stop. Can you see it now?
Yes. Easy.
Wait, so easy.
See?
Yes. The odd emoji is hiding right here.
The last one, Leo. Last one.
Two
And now
more
can you spot the
questions.
Barbie here?
Barbie's here.
Okay. Yes. Very good.
Oh, 3 more questions.
Wonderful.
Okay, 3
She's hiding in the
more.
bottom right corner. Her odd Barbie emoji.
The first one.
Easy one.
This is the first one.
Easy, right?
No, learn.
You're on fire. You found her.
Learn.
What, Leo?
We need to learn. I have 5 more minutes. Then my iPad will be shut off.
No, Leo. We don't. We
Yes,
what?
we need. I have only 5 minutes. Then I have no more time.
No, our time is up actually. Leo, our time is up.
More than 5 minutes?
Yes, we only have 25 minutes, not 30 minutes.
No, but I just have 5 more minutes. So
Oh,
that my iPad can shut.
oh, you have more 5 minutes. Okay, so we'll just continue the rest next meeting, okay? So you can sleep now. Thank you so much. Good night, Leah.
Bye.